Now that Tino has earned the trust of Fairy Luma and Guardian Smile, a new adventure begins, finding the hidden treasure of the little teeth. But is this treasure made of gold, of stars, or of something even more magical? Get ready for a story full of clues, courage, and lessons about keeping your smile strong and healthy. One morning, Tino was strolling through the library of Little Teeth, a place filled with glowing books and pages that danced on their own. Suddenly, something sparkling caught his eye. Between two ancient books, a luminous map slid out. "What could this be?" Tino murmured, holding it carefully. Fairy Luma appeared, smiling. "This is the treasure map of the Little Teeth, a secret guarded for centuries. But only those with courage, a pure heart, and a well-cared-for smile can find it." Tino's heart raced. He was ready for the mission. The map unfolded before him, revealing magical symbols: a toothbrush, a piece of floss, and a shining rinse cup. "These are the clues," explained Smile, the Guardian. "Each symbol represents a challenge. To move forward, you must prove you've learned how to care for your smile." Tino nodded with confidence. "I know I can do it." Following the map, Tino arrived at the forest of Giant Molars. There, rivers of thick sugar flowed, trying to trap his steps. "This must be the brushing challenge," thought Tino. He pulled out his magical toothbrush and began cleaning the path, removing the sugar grain by grain. With each stroke, the river turned into crystal clear water. "See," said Fairy Luma, "a good brushing always clears the way." Further ahead, Tino found a gate made of sticky caramel threads. The more he tried to push, the more it clung to him. "Only dental floss can help me," said Tino. He took the magical floss from the map and carefully slid it between the caramel threads. With patience, he untangled every knot and freed the passage. "Dental floss is powerful," Tino cheered. Suddenly, a laugh echoed through the forest. Sweetie and Plack appeared from behind the trees. "Did you think you'd keep the treasure all to yourself?" mocked Sweetie. "That map will be ours," shouted Plack, trying to snatch it from Tino's hands. But the map reacted. When the villains touched it, their faded smiles revealed dark stains. The magic pushed them far away. "See," said Smile, "those who don't care for their teeth can't claim the true treasure." After many steps and challenges, Tino finally reached the heart of the Kingdom of Smiles. There, a glowing chest rested upon a golden pedestal. Tino approached carefully. With a gentle touch, the chest opened. But to his surprise, there was no gold, no precious stones. Inside was the magical handbook of a healthy smile, filled with secrets about brushing, nutrition, and habits to keep teeth strong. "The greatest treasure is not made of gold," explained Smile. "The true treasure is the knowledge that keeps us healthy." Tino felt deeply moved. Now he knew his mission was even more special. With the handbook in his hands, Tino looked at Fairy Luma and smiled. "I need to share this with every little tooth." "Yes," said the fairy. "The treasure only has value when it's shared. Together, we can teach everyone how to care for their smiles." Tino beamed with joy. He felt more ready than ever to protect the kingdom of smiles. While Tino celebrated his victory, Sweetie and Plack spied from afar. Furious, if we can't have the handbook, we'll go after the next secret of the kingdom, hissed Sweetie. The smile stars can still be ours, added Plack. Tino sensed that new adventures awaited. He took a deep breath, confident. The Kingdom of Smiles still had much to teach. Don't miss Episode 6, The Secret of the Smile Stars.